For this ice fishing experiment, you're going to need a cup with some ice, of course, maybe 4 to 6 ice cubes depending on the size of your cup. You're also going to need some string or yarn, and of course, to make it all come together, some regular household salt. First, we're going to add 5 to 6 ice cubes to a cup. Then, using only the string, try to fish an ice cube out of the cup.
Oh no!
For this experiment, we'll see how adding salt to ice lowers the ice's melting point. This is particularly important when we learn about ways to practice winter water safety. Next, fill the same cup with water. Lay the string over an ice cube and sprinkle some salt over the string and ice. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds.
A few moments later.
Now try to fish your ice cube out of the cup. Salt causes a physical change by altering the properties and temperature of the ice cube. Because the temperature around the ice is still freezing, the ice will refreeze, freezing anything on the ice along with it. This is known as reversible change. In our experiment, the ice has frozen the string with it. Now we have ice fishing.